So this is his camp. Do 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 do. Seems like a happening place. Oh God, he's like a crab. You know, sideways. What are these? Gustala. Heading north, you say? Not a wise idea. A thick mist has fallen and consumed the land. Impossible to reverse. Being as smart as I am, and as humble as he is, I've taken the safe option and walled myself up here on this little cliff. How do you like it? I've taken my veritable lifetime to gather these treasures. You see, I enjoy the finer things in life, shiny trinkets, delicious foods. Actually, that leads me to my question to you. You strike me as someone who can defend himself. Would you do me a good turn? In exchange, I will allow you the use of my flying bird. It should keep you above the mist. Oh, I do hope you'll accept. You will? Oh, exquisite! I once tasted a sap from a tree located in a nearby glade. It was simply delectable when cooked in the right meat. Unfortunately, I dare not venture there any more. However, you should have no problem with the riff-raff. I'll even give you this tool to help you. A fine piece of kit you can use to stun things. Handy if you find yourself in a pickle. To use it, right analog stick or middle mouse button spacebar to fire. Try to hit those poachine bottles. On only the three, mind you. You don't think I'd waste such a rare treat, do you? Oh, and don't get any funny ideas. I see the way you look at my treasure. Regardless, my shell is zap resistant. Once you've done, the gate below will open. Oh, and you don't have to thank me. Gustaloff is always happy to help. Oh, that's cool. Pew! Oh, it's a hurl and a schlitter. That's so cool. No, this way. Uh, what? I'm confused now. Okay, well, fetch that yummy sap. Yummy sap, 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 yummy sap. Okay, so I need to. Oh, it's gonna kill me. Help. Lovely. That was getting a bit hairy. Where's this tree? This tree? More health. Ooh, what are you? What are you? No, you're not a special tree. Ah, health. I feast on the blood of mine enemies. And with it, I roll. Oh, God, I could have gone wrong. Oh, where's this tree? Where's this bloody tree? Um, is this the tree? Not a very good tree. There's yelling coming from downstairs. I think the rugby's on. I'm still wandering through, trying to find this fucking magical flowery thing. Tree. And it's proving quite difficult. Ooh. There we go. You wanna ride with me, fucker? You get the hurl. Oh, excuse me. Oh, health. That's great. Oh, I sneezed now. I'm all weird. Oh. So it's not in this little glen. Fuck you, Glenn. You prick. Making our way out of here. Do 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 do. You know what would be great in this game? A block. A block button. Oh, okay. Apparently select is a roll. Oh, that's so strange. Ooh. Oh, health. And health. The most wonderful thing in the place. Where everyone's yelling and kids jingle belling. It's the most wonderful time of the place. Oh, I think I found it. What was his voice? Tiku, Tisu. I cannot work like this. I cannot. Of the 3 guards the king sent with us, only 1 remains. I was supposed to have the protection of the king's best men, yet I'm encumbered with these blunderers. At least Cynthia has begun to swallow her objections before she lets them out of her mouth. If I'm to hear any more about the village's power supply or the people's plight, I'm likely to abandon her for insurrection. Oh, Jesus. Things are going serious for Tigul. Oh, am I meant to? Apparently not. Oh, okay, so apparently this is just a nice little glen. Oh, this makes it so much faster. No. Roly poly pudding pop. If I could see like a map. Okay, we got the big, yeah, magic hand. 3 out of 9, not bad. 3 out of 8. So we're, effectively a certain amount there. Hey, just gonna look through this bit. No. Because I feel this is significant. Not this bit. Oh, what's over here? Whoa, I haven't been here. Ooh, more green, that's always good. Ah, yeah. Ooh! Uh, pressing all the buttons. No, apparently not. I feel we're going the right way. Yeah, we were going the right way. We found it. Oh yes, we found it.